Hey guys, so we're replacing the camera of these GMC Yukon, okay? And you got a bolt right here and another one right here is a T30. And then we're gonna remove this entire plastic cover down, and then there's some harness connectors. And all right, so you got to remove the two bolts, and here to remove the camera you have to remove this entire, it's all one piece, okay? But you can't change the camera by itself. You're gonna have two little plastic tabs here, just pop them out, okay? And on the inside, remove the plastic, just pop it out. Two, we're gonna have one here and another one here holding these two pieces together. So this is the cover, okay? These tabs are likely gonna break on you if it's an older vehicle. If it is, just put some new of these, or we'll hold the plastic back, but if you're lucky they don't break. And you got the camera right here, and you're just gonna have to melt this little metal spots, plastic spots. Just melt those and pop it out. The new camera is gonna have the little plastic tabs as well. Just push it up and melt them to their spot, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's how you change. So this is the camera. That's a small bracket that's holding the camera. You can either melt the posts, and so you can put the new one in, or remove the camera itself by two small bolts, two Phillips. And but chances are is that they're not gonna come out because they're gonna be rusted out. So it's hooked up on, just put on reverse, and then you should switch to your new camera. So it works. If you don't want to use the camera, just go to menu, display, rear camera options, and just turn off that reverse camera option by clicking it, and then you can put on reverse and it won't switch. But if you do want to use it, of course, just click the option, reverse, and you're good. All right.